Being part of the Adran Cymraeg in Swansea University is really special. The whole department create this feeling of family and community, and the lecturers are very open and helpful, and I know that if I need anything I can go to them straight away for anything.
For me, it is joining something called the Gum Gum, the Welsh Society. I really feel like a family with them. They made me feel really included, especially me coming from a second language background as well. I really appreciate the feeling that I have with them.
For me, it's not to do so much with the lectures that we have, but it's more every Monday, the Welsh department runs something called a Sgwrs dros Cinio, where we all sit together and have lunch, and it's just a nice hour where we can all sit and relax and just have an informal discussion and talk about our day.
Um, Going to lectures and being able to use my Welsh fluently and confidently. Um, like I said, coming from a second language background, I didn't really feel comfortable. But as soon as I came to Swansea University, the lecturers and people around me made me feel comfortable and really, really special.
I will think about being part of the Gum Gum, which is the Gymdeithas Cymraeg. So it's a group where we all speak Welsh together and go on socials and nights out together. And also the variety of things that Swansea has to offer through the medium of Welsh, like Tea Tower and the gigs that they offer as well.
The same thing with me. I'll miss the help the lecturers have given me throughout my course. Also the feeling that in Swansea, I don't feel like I can't use my Welsh. I'm able to and I feel comfortable to.